Good day, Sir Van. Mabuhay. I'm Hazel Dakay. So before I start my reporting, I have the learning objective here. So first is compute the appropriate period point or ROP considering demand, considering lead time, and safety stock. Second is analyze inventory management problems and select suitable AOQ and ROP models to improve supply chain efficiency. Third is interpret the result of AOQ and ROP calculation to make informed decision about ordering schedules and stock levels. So let's go down to the ROP. ROP is the reorder point, or ROP is the inventory level at which new order must be placed to replenish stock before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operation and preventing stock out. So, ROP mo ni ang stock before reaches zero, like kanang safety stock. Okay, here is a formula of reorder point, or ROP. Usage times lead time plus safety stock. So, kung saan man na ito pagkuha, anang ROP. Okay. Usage, or how many stock will use. Lead time, how long it will arrive or deliver. Kung kanusa maabot. Safety stock is an extra inventory kept to cover unexpected demand or delays. So, example. If the company's expected daily usage is 100 bottles of wine, the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days, when will the company place the order or reorder point? Kanusada sila mag-order kung ilang companies, ang company nag-expect sila nga ilang makuha nga usage sa dadlaw is 100 bottles of wine. Nga ang the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days. So, magdili na ito magamit ang formula sa ROP. Okay, here. Formula. ROP equals to usage times lead time plus safety stock. So, ROP equals 100 bottles per day. So, 100 bottles per day lang use times 6 to 10 days plus 100 bottles per day times 4. So, ROP equals 100 times 6 days plus 100 times 4. So, ROP 100 times 6 is 600 plus 400 sa safety stock, 100 times 4. So, ROP equals to 100 bottles of wine. Therefore, the company should be make the order when level of inventory is at 100 bottles. So, ang company, unya pa sila, magbalik og order if ang ilahang nahabilin pag inventory nila is 100 bottles, 1,000 bottles na lang. So, place the order, nus ka mag-order. So, June 13. So, lead time, 6 to 10 days. So, order, maabot siya or arrive is on June 19. So, June 19, 6 days minimum order lead time. 50 stock is June 19 to June 23. Mo na ang 50 stock to ang 4 days. So, the second one is economic order quantity or AOQ. Economic order quantity. The economic order quantity or AOQ is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order, one that minimizes the total cost of order or ordering and holding stock. So, economic order quantity mo ni ang formula sa AOQ. Number of orders per year or NU, or formula NU equals N divided by AOQ. Second is total ordering cost per year or TOC. TOC equals NOU times OC. Average inventory or AI formula is AOQ divided by 2. So kaning 2, yun sa nato pagkuha sa 2, given na ni ang 2. So totally carrying cost per year or TCC, formula TCC equals AI times CC. Total cost or TC is formula TC equals TOC plus TCC. So, here is one example. For example, number of jars of honey required annually, 10,000. Cost, 10,000 ang ilahang annually or per year. So, cost of placing order is 10 pesos. Annually carrying cost per year jar or inventory is 0.80. So, ato silang i-determine the following katong AOQ, number of orders per year, total carrying cost per year, total ordering cost per year, and average inventory and total cost. So, money. Yun sa formula, economic order quantity or AOQ. 2 equals ON times C, where ang O cost placing in order or ordering cost. N is number of units required annually. C, annual carrying cost per unit per inventory. So, AOQ. AOQ equals square root of 2 times 0 times O times N equals divided by C. So, 2 times 10 equals 20. So, 20 times 10 equals 200,000. 200,000 divided by 0.8 or 0.80 is 50,000. 250,000 square root of 2 is 500. So, therefore, AOQ equals 500 jars. So, B, number orders per year. Formula. NO equals N divided by AOQ. NO is, pila na itong NO? So, 10,000. Ang AOQ, which is the answer of this, 500. 10,000 equals, divided by 500 equals number of orders is 20 orders. C, total ordering cost per year or TOC. Formula is TOC equals NO times OC. So TOC equals 20 orders times 10. Answer is TOC 200. D. Average inventory. How to compute average inventory or AI. Formula. AI equals AOQ divided by 2, which is ang 2 is given. So AI equals 500 jars divided by 2 is AI equals to 50 jars. The total carrying cost per year or TCC, the formula is TCC equals AI times CC. So TCC equals 250 jars times 0.80 equals, answer is TCC equals 200. So F is total cost of TC. Formula is TC or TOC plus TCC equals 200 plus 200. Answer is TC equals to 400. Thank you. Mana?